Take advantage of this week's best cruise deals from Cruise.com. Explore the natural beauty of Alaska on a 7-day cruise aboard Princess Cruises from just $449 per person. Receive up to $1,700 onboard credit, up to $1,000 onboard savings, reduced deposits, and special resident rates. An additional onboard credit of up to $250 is available to active and retired military personnel. Feel the rhythm of the Caribbean islands on a 10-day cruise aboard Celebrity Cruises from just $899 per person. Get up to $1,750 onboard credit, up to $600 off, up to 4 amenities, special resident rates, as well as a free value booklet worth $350 in savings. Hula your way through the islands on a 7-day Hawaii cruise aboard Norwegian Cruise Line from just $1,299 per person. Save now with 3rd and 4th guest sale free, up to $1,700 cash back, reduced deposits, with a specialty dining package, ultimate beverage package, onboard credits, special resident rates, plus additional values. Limited time only, so book your cruise vacation with Cruise.com today.